Good evening. We've had quite a blustery wind blowing across the country today, particularly near the east coast, where it's kept temperatures down just into the teens, and because of the strength of that wind, it's actually felt even colder. It's felt as if it's been just 8, 9 or 10 Celsius. But the winds are going to change by this time tomorrow. We'll lose that breeze along the east coast there. The wind's turning round more into the west or even the southwest. And as a result of that, it'll be noticeably warmer in those eastern regions for tomorrow. Now, the change in the wind flow coming about as this low pressure area begins to move away across in towards the areas further east there. It's still close enough at the moment, though, to bring quite a lot of cloud around the east coast areas, and this line of cloud here has been giving some fairly hefty showers. The heavier, thundery ones are now moving away from southeastern areas, but out across here there could still be the odd shower for a time this evening. Maybe some cloud and showery rain hanging near the east coast for a time tonight. Generally further west and north, a fine end to the day, some spells of evening sunshine, but things will change overnight because particularly in Northern Ireland and the western parts of Scotland, more low cloud will roll in, perhaps bringing some patchy rain and drizzle by the end of the night. Further eastwards, clear spells of weather certainly, but that may lead to just a few temporary mist patches around dawn. It will be a chilly night considering the time of year, locally temperatures down to around 7 Celsius. Well, for tomorrow morning, it looks like it'll be fine, bright and with some spells of sunshine in many parts of the country, but not so across Northern Ireland nor Western Scotland, where it'll be drizzly and there'll be some spells of rain. But in the east of Northern Ireland, we could well see the weather cheering up a touch in the afternoon, a little bit brighter, but at the same time, the cloud rolling over into the north and northeast of Scotland, bringing a little bit of showery rain there. Late on in the day, around the Irish Sea and in towards the west of Wales here, some lower cloud, maybe bringing some drizzle, but for many parts of Wales, England, it should be fairly bright, spells of sunshine, making it feel a touch warmer with lighter breezes. Now, looking further ahead on Friday, I think we'll see some drier, brighter weather coming in across Scotland and Northern Ireland. This region of cloud heading southwards, mainly affecting the western and southern coasts, and then spells of rain heading across the south through the weekend, sunshine in the north.